Do you read short reads? I read a lot of short reads. Let's talk about short reads category on Amazon. Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. Let me preface this by saying that everything I talk about in this video is based on my knowledge of the industry and my experience so far. There is a lot of information available on the internet, and I urge you to do your own research before you decide what is right for you. If you're in my private Facebook group, you heard me talk about my reading list for November when I was on a week's break from working on my current book, The Rajput. And I had a lot of short reads on that TBR. I have been looking at this category for a few months now, and as a reader, I enjoy reading short books. They are quick. I can easily toggle between reading and listening to it on my phone. And since I have a Kindle Unlimited account, I'll end up reading about 10 to 12 such short reads in a week. I do most of my reading on my phone through the Kindle app, and so it's easy for me to take 10 minutes break here and there and finish a book in 2 to 3 sittings. Now, if you're in my All Things Bookish book club, you know that I read a lot of books and I listen to a lot of books. My main source of entertainment is reading. Lately, I've been thinking about why I enjoy reading short books, why they are so appealing to me, what are the kind of authors who put out short books, what genres are there in short book category. I've talked about this in my past videos, but today I specifically wanted to talk to you about what I've been thinking about, what's on my mind when it comes to short books category, specifically on Amazon. Some of you who are here from earlier this year and saw my video on goal setting early on in the year, you must have heard me talk about one of my writing projects that's a collection of short stories. I've been working on this collection for many years now, and I've been thinking about what is the best way to publish it. Earlier, I was thinking I'll publish it as a collection, so one book with all these short stories. But recently, I read a collection of short stories that were published individually, and that got me thinking, why would someone break up a collection this way and publish each story individually? And I think it makes for a very good marketing tool. I see this in two lights. So if I see this as a marketing tool, it's a good way to feature yourself to a Kindle Unlimited audience. You can give them a taste of your writing. It's easy to discover authors because you're not invested in a long story. It's easy to take up new authors that you haven't heard of before because you don't have to invest too much time in them, and that way they can discover you, your writing, and eventually read other books that you've written. And the second part is that if you don't want to see it as a marketing tool and you want to publish short stories, this could be a category that you might want to consider exploring if you like to write short fictions or short non-fiction. There are a lot of people on their phones these days. This could be a potential new reader pool that could open up to you, and your book might appeal to them. If you are writing non-fiction and you deliver answers to their question in short bites, it's easy to read these books without having to invest into reading 200-300 pages long books. The pros that I see are, one, that producing these short reads will take less time and money compared to full-length books, will help you with name recognition and allow new readers to discover you. I see it as a marketing tool as well. Another thing that you could do with this is test out a few theories. Like, I want to test out rapid release. I want to test out the short reads category in itself, and also this launch to market theory. So there is so much that you can do with this. The biggest con that I see and why I wouldn't recommend it is if it does not fit your author goals, your publishing goals, or if it does not suit your target readers, then there is no point wasting your time with this. I wanted to share this with you because this has been on my mind and I've been thinking about this for some time now. So let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to check out the description section of my videos. I link all the things that I talk about in my videos in there. Also, there is a list of other resources that I feel might benefit you. All those links are in the description section, so do check that out. If you found this helpful, please like this video. That keeps me motivated to bring more such videos out for you. Also, consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. There are more videos on marketing and Amazon coming in the next few months. If you're new to self-publishing, check out this FAQ playlist and I'll see you in the next one.